Why engagement rings exist. There are millions of ways to propose. Different words, different places, different cultures. But almost every proposal ends the same way. A ring. On one knee, on one finger. That feels ancient, like humans have always done this. But here's the truth. Engagement rings didn't exist for most of history. So why does everyone have one now? And who convinced the world this was required? Ask anyone why engagement rings exist. They'll say, love, commitment, symbolism. Sounds right? Feels emotional. But that explanation came after the ring, not before. And the real reason is way stranger. For most of human history, there were no engagement rings. Marriage wasn't romantic, it was practical. Families made deals. Property was exchanged. Marriage happened fast. No ring needed. So when did the ring appear? And why that finger? Here's where it gets strange. Early engagement rings weren't about love. They were insurance. If a man broke the promise, the ring paid the price. It wasn't a symbol, it was collateral. The ring wasn't for the couple. It was for everyone else. It said, this woman is taken. Negotiations are closed. Romantic? Not even close. Love didn't drive the ring. Fear did. Fear of backing out. Fear of losing status. Fear of broken deals. The ring locked people in. Now here's the biggest lie. People think engagement rings always had diamonds. They didn't. Diamonds were rare, expensive, and unnecessary. So how did diamonds take over? In the early 1900s, diamond companies had a problem. They found too many diamonds. Supply exploded. Demand didn't. Diamonds were becoming worthless. So they didn't change the product. They changed the story. They linked diamonds to love. Forever love. If it lasts forever, the ring should too. That phrase stuck. Not because it was true, because it was repeated. They aren't, they're controlled. Scarcity was manufactured. Romance was scripted, and people bought it. Ever heard this? Spend 2 months' salary. That rule feels old. It isn't. It was an ad. One sentence, repeated for decades, and it worked. Movies showed proposals. Celebrities wore diamonds. Royal families followed. The ring became mandatory. Not legally, socially. It's not. This version of engagement rings is barely 100 years old. That's not tradition. That's marketing aging into culture. Even the finger wasn't sacred. The vein to the heart story? Completely fake. A poetic explanation invented after the habit formed. Once rings became normal, entire systems formed around them. Jewelers, insurance, appraisals, upgrades. Changing the tradition would break the machine. So the machine kept running. Engagement rings don't exist because of love. Love adapted to the ring, not the other way around. This tradition wasn't created by romance. It was created by fear, money, marketing, and repetition. And once it felt normal, no one questioned it. When something feels ancient, it's usually just familiar. And familiarity is powerful. Sometimes more powerful than truth. Once you know where engagement rings really came from, you start wondering how many other romantic traditions were quietly invented. And once you see that, you'll start noticing it everywhere.